Hi guys, it's Shane here from Rain and Horn in Rosebud. I'm with my director Adam King and we're very excited to bring you our latest auction opportunity at 95 Palmerston Avenue in Dromana. An absolute entertainer's delight in an awesome location. Adam, tell us about it.
Thank you very much, Shane. What an opportunity to purchase this property. Close to the schools, close to the town centre of Dromana, close to the water. Let's go and take a look.
The home's complete with 2 kitchens, one outside and one inside for all year round entertainment. Unique to this 3-bedroom home is this 3rd separate enormous living area.
Well, that was 95 Palmerston. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Open for inspections on Saturday.
And the auction is on the 14th of April. We look forward to seeing all of you there.